Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Pokegemz. Check out this awesome project. Doesn't look very easy, but guys, trust me, after going over this step-by-step tutorial, it will be super easy and you guys will be able to draw this too. But before we get started, guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that like, guys, turn on your notifications. That way you won't miss out on any future projects. Alright, let's get started, guys. As you see here, we are using a regular piece of paper, a ruler, and a pencil. We are going to start out drawing a basic cube or basic box, whatever way you want to call it, 4 inches by 4 inches by 4 inches by 4 inches. So basically a 4-inch cube. Alright guys, that is it right there. Look how easy that was. Alright, the next step is you are going to mark the middle of each one of the lines. So obviously, since it's 4 inches, we're going to mark the middle of the top, the middle of the bottom, the left and the right side at 2 inches. There we go. We've got it marked at the middle. Guys, now if you're not using inches, if you're using centimeters, do the same thing, but just keep that same proportion, guys. All right, the next thing is you're going to go 1 inch up over the top and 1 inch over the bottom. So basically, if you have a 4-inch ruler, you're going to start with 1 inch on this side and then go 1 inch past. So you'll pretty much have a straight cross across your box coming up 1 inch on either side. Next thing you're going to do, guys, is you are going to connect all of these lines. Once you connect them, then you'll basically have a cube inside of a cube, pretty much. There we go. Connected all sides, guys. Look how easy that was. A cube all around. Very, very easy. Next thing we're going to do is all you're going to do here is connect a few lines together. Guys, so you see where the two cubes kind of meet together at all of these points? Pretty much all you're going to do is connect all of these points together. So again, that one, and we're going to connect it with this one. So basically, there's going to be 8 lines inside of your cubes. Again, we see where these connected together, connect them. This one here, connect it with the other side. And guys, we are using pencil for this because a lot of these lines are going to be erased in a few minutes. Again, now we have new points where they connect. You're going to connect those also. And at the bottom, you're going to connect this one also. And then just 2 more. We've got more points here. This is going to connect here. And then on this side, this will connect here. So pretty much there is your entire basic design. You should be at this point. Guys, to make it super, super easy for you, I have attached another drawing here. Check this out, guys. This is going to show you the exact measurements. And then this is also going to show you where you will be erasing the lines. So go ahead and pause the video right here. And everything that I marked in yellow, you will erase. There's your measurements. There's the 4 inches, the 1 inch up. So pause it right here, guys, and erase everything that is in yellow. All right, once you're done erasing, then what we're going to do is we're going to go over some of the lines with marker. So like I said, at this point, I am just erasing basically everything that I have in yellow. And guys, don't worry about making it perfect. If you didn't erase a few parts, don't worry, because then later at the end, we are going to erase some more points. So just erase as many as you can from that original drawing that I showed you a minute ago that had that marked in yellow. All right, once you are done erasing from that point, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start drawing over it with the marker here. So you're going to get some kind of marker, preferably like a dark Sharpie or some marker, and you're going to start going over all of these lines here, guys. We're going to make one line across the middle here to connect those points, and then you're going to make another line connecting these points here. So pretty much we just did like an X across the middle. That is your first thing that you're going to do with the marker. And then, guys, basically from there, you're just going to outline pretty much everything that is left over. So you're going to outline the top box. You're going to outline all of the boxes here with your dark marker. Now guys, you see why it was important that in this particular project we didn't start with a marker, because in this case, you know, we are erasing a lot of it. So now imagine if we would have went all across with the marker, obviously we would not be able to erase. So that's why some of these projects, guys, I always find it a rule of thumb, almost always, you will see, guys, those of you who follow, those of you who've seen my projects, you'll see that almost everything that I start with, guys, I almost always start with pencil, because you can always erase, you can always go back, and then afterwards, you know, you can go over with a marker and use a variety of colors, guys. Use a variety of markers. In this case, I'm using a black Sharpie, but I mean, you can use different types of markers. You can use a marker that's thicker, that's thinner. Guys, go ahead and play with it. I mean, make it unique, make it your own. All right, so this is where you should be right now. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to start connecting these lines, and you're going to start almost at this point, start seeing that geometric design start coming out of this. So connect that. Look how easy that was. Same thing, guys, with the cubes that are on the right side and on the left side. So you're going to connect this one, then you're going to connect that one, and then same thing with the top. So you've already got right there, you've got your geometric figure starting to pop off the paper there. All right, if you're at that point, the next thing you're going to do is these smaller cubes in the corners. We're going to highlight those, and we're going to come out with these here. All right, there we go there. And then we'll connect these, and then we're going to do the same thing at the top right here. All right, almost there, guys. Just a couple more lines and we're almost there. Go ahead, like I said, at any moment, go ahead and pause the project at any moment just so you can make sure you're caught up, make sure you're at the right spot, because this is the time where you don't want to make lines that are not needed there. All right, next thing we're going to do is one more X connecting the tops of these cubes. And guys, this is basically your shape right here. If you have been following along, this is how it should look. Any pencil that you have left over, remember before I said don't worry if you didn't erase anything. This is the time, guys. Give your marker a minute to dry, and then this is the time where you go through and erase anything you had left over. Now basically, guys, your project is pretty much done at this point. What you're gonna do though is you can start coloring. Now I'm gonna color some of it in black, some of it in gray. Guys, feel free to use other colors. I've done this project where every one of the cubes is a different color. This particular one I'm going to do for you in black and gray. As you see, I sped up the video a little bit. This will take a little bit of time. Use crayons, guys. Use colored pencils. Use any kind of materials you have to make this look cool. In my case, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and continue with that black Sharpie marker. And then basically all of the outside cubes, so all 8 of them, I will be coloring with this dark black Sharpie. Guys, if you like this project, check out this other one that just showed up on your screen here. Come back and check this one out. This is another awesome geometric project that really looks like it's popping off the paper. So, guys, check out any of my other projects here also when you get a chance and when you get done with this one. Guys, don't forget the contest that we have going also for this month. Do any one of my projects. Do 1, do 2, do 5, do 10, as many as you want. Send them to me, guys. In my profile is my address, my P.O. box. Send me your projects, and you can be picked at the end of the month to win a grand prize that I will be sending one person. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my charcoal pencil, and I'm going to shade in every other side of the cubes coming down. I'm going to use my smudging cloth. I'm going to smudge that. So basically we'll have left over the dark black, the gray, and the white. And if you look at this, guys, look how cool this looks. No matter which way you look at it, it looks different, like it's really coming off the paper. Guys, as you see, very simple project, guys. Couple materials, couple of pencils, ruler, and eraser. And look at how great you can make your project look. I mean, so simple as long as you follow along the instructions. Guys, if you enjoyed that project, check out my other ones. Please subscribe to my TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook channel. Guys, I also have a website, www.pokegemz.com, where you can get more information there. You can also buy our swag. And if you haven't done so, guys, please hit subscribe to this channel. That way you will see all other projects, and I will definitely see you on the next one.